Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this invisible stitch. So for that we are first going to find the edge of our square, and these are the two chains. On the edge we are going to insert our needle in between these two chains like this, and we are going to pull through. Now we are going to leave a small tail to sew in the end like that. And now we are going to do the exact same thing on our square number 2. So we are going to insert our needle in between the two chains on the edge. So these are the two chains. We are going to insert our needle in between these two chains, and we are going to pull through. Now again we are going to move on to our square number 1. We can see those two chains, those two V stitches. We are going to insert our needle in between these two chains like this, and we are going to pull through. Again on our square number 2 we are going to do the exact same thing. Insert our needle in between the two chains and pull through. So when you're inserting the needle in between these two chains, you might feel a little bit of friction, but that's how it is supposed to be. I often prefer using invisible stitch instead of any other joining method, as it provides us a seamless stitch. Now I'm just going to show this to you a few more times so that you get the hang of it. This is how our invisible stitch should look like. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!